What's up guys, this is Syndicate HD here, and like I said, I was getting a new graphics card and I'm just going to do an unboxing for you guys. This is from Tiger Direct, if you can tell, tigerdirect.com. Very cheap place to get your computer hardware or anything like that, but I know y'all want to see the real shit, so get this wide open. Of course you need a trusty knife. Well, this one's a steak knife, but swag on that all ends. You always gotta, apparently you need to be careful with the knife, but I don't. But here we go, straight down the middle. Might as well just rip that bitch off. That's how I always do it. And I should have told y'all what the card was before I pulled it out of the box. This is a Sapphire Radeon R9 290, and not 290, but 280. I'm about to say 2. And here's this bad boy. It is the overclocked edition. It is got 3 gigs of GDDR5 memory, dual X cooling, and HDMI port. But it also, well, might as well get to the card so I can tell you what else it has. And this is a very cheap price. I paid $200 for this card on Tiger Direct. That's pretty cheap for this type of card. And I am going to do benchmarks. On a bunch of games like Call of Duty and shit like that. I don't know what games yet, but I'll tell you on here in a minute. I really don't give a fuck about the box, but I can show you the box. I mean, I don't do anything but the box, but here comes the card with itself. The drivers, but you don't need to use these pieces of shit. Just go to the AMD site and get them off from there. This junk, a quick installation guide, something you don't even need. And I don't even know what this is. I guess it's a pamphlet thing, you don't know. But the card within itself, this beast right here, it's in a anti-static bag, and apparently you don't need to open it without putting anti-static gloves or something on, but to me, I don't need it. The beast. It's got a blue PCB, and going to this, it's got 1 DVI-D and 1 DVI I display port. It has, I know that's HDMI, but I don't know what the other HDMI is called. I forgot what it's called. But in this wrapping right here, I always take it off. I don't know why. But I think it's useless to put it on a card. So beautiful. This is a beast. A hunk of beast. Got the Sapphire symbol. It's got the Sapphire symbol on the side of it. It's got dual X fans to keep the card cool. And look at them copper heat pipes, man. Them copper heat pipes. But that's the card. I'm gonna set that over here. Getting to in this, it comes with a crossfire bridge. So if you want to run dual cards, well, I don't really see anything doing that. It comes with a 6-pin power connector. Actually 2 6-pin power connectors. Set that to the side. Let's see what they gave me in the box. Of course you got that slip and whatever this is at the bottom. Whatever that is. Now, I was supposed to get $160 worth of games. I don't know how that's supposed to be, but I guess I'll find out. But that's all I was going to do. I'm going to show you guys some benchmark tests on this, I guess, and put a song there. I guess Syndicate HD, I'm out.